Hey guys, I'm Esthetician Trish McCarty, and today I want to share how I use tretinoin in my nighttime routine. So in the fall and winter months, I was using tretinoin at least through my jawline, where I tend to get a lot of clogged pores pretty much every night or every other night. You do have to build up a tolerance to use tretinoin that often. It is very drying. Your skin tends to peel unless you use a heavier moisturizer like you see in the video. Now that it's summer months, I use it very sparingly. I have been loving XeraCalm by Avene. It is a cleansing oil, and it's especially good when you're using a product that's going to irritate your skin slightly, like tretinoin. I did a double cleanse because sunscreen is harder to get off if you don't at least wash your face twice. Now I'm using the Serucell Eye Serum. This has been an eye serum I've used since 2020. It is the best that I have found, and I will put these products in the link down below in case you're interested. You need about half a pump for both eyes. The reason I included this part is because you want to use your eye products prior to applying your tretinoin, because you don't want to accidentally bring tretinoin up by your eye area. Speaking of tretinoin, I use the 0.5%. If I do the 0.1, oh my gosh, it would completely peel my face off, and I'm not trying to go for that. I pay special attention to my jawline area because that is where I get acne when I do get it. Tretinoin has truly been the best thing for my acne, other than eating a healthy diet, because that is what's causing my acne when I do get it. And when I deviate from my diet, that's when I start getting a lot of hormonal acne. But hashtag life happens, so I do still need to use it sometimes. The Avene XeraCalm Lipid-Replenishing Cream is typically what I apply over top of tretinoin, but as you saw, I also held up the Cicalfate. That one works pretty good as well, but my favorite tends to be this Lipid-Replenishing Cream. It is a heavier, thick moisturizer, so I wouldn't recommend it for everyone, especially if you were super oily and very prone to acne. I would only use this over top of tretinoin to cut down any irritation. That's the only reason I'm using it on my face here in this video, is to cut down on any redness, irritation, peeling. Otherwise, I would not be applying this to my face. Tretinoin does dry your skin pretty badly, but if you apply a heavy moisturizer on top, that really does make a huge difference. So tretinoin sometimes gets a bad reputation because of that, but there are ways to make it actually work for your skin, and honestly, it really brightens the appearance and is great anti-aging. The way to not have the issues that tretinoin is known for causing, like the super flaky skin, the red irritation, is to slowly start off with tretinoin. Use it, 1 to 2 times a week at first, and space it out between use, and use a thick moisturizer. Build up a tolerance to it. That's why we say as tolerated. So don't just all of a sudden use it every single night and expect not to get irritation. Typically, people are going to have irritation at the beginning of tretinoin use. So start off 1 to 2 nights a week. Once you're fine with that, then you can add in extra days from there. You are more sun sensitive, so you definitely need to be using sunscreen during the daytime when you are using tretinoin, because you can burn so easy, and that just causes problems like skin cancer and just skin damage in general. So don't use tretinoin without using sunscreen during the day. Our office does sell tretinoin, and because I'm under a doctor's license, I can dispense tretinoin to you if you call the office, get a consultation set up with me, or even email me. I will leave our phone number and my email down below. I will help you order tretinoin, but we can't put Tretinoin on our Shopify account anymore because it is a prescription strength product. So prices keep fluctuating, hashtag inflation. So if you want the latest pricing, just email me or call and I will give you that information, and I'm happy to help and talk to you in a little more detail about how to use tretinoin. Let me know any questions you have in the comments down below and share with a friend. Thanks so much. Bye.